Be Your Eagle sent me this 6-month organizer for my review, and honestly, this is probably one of the most in-depth planner organizers I have ever seen. So basically the whole point of this is they're just trying to help you to increase your productivity by like 1% each week by assessing, prioritizing, and focusing. So, and they are going to show you how to do all of that. Right off the bat, absolutely love the packaging. Their whole thing is based on an eagle, and that comes from a fable. And basically, it's just kind of like, you know, you want to aim high and you want to be soaring in the sky like the eagle. So it comes in this really great box, which makes it extremely giftable. And hatch your best time management self and feel your eagle take flight. So let's go ahead and open that up. And as I said, so it's Be Your Eagle, and then their assess, prioritize, and focus, which of course are their goals. And that is what is going to help you, you know, gain that 1% of productivity each week. And then they also just kind of give you like this little notepad here where you can put the day and then if anything is urgent. So basically this is, you know, not something that you're like keeping track of, but it's kind of like the little reminder notes there. So got this great little box, as I said, super giftable. And then this is the planner. Absolutely beautiful. And basically it's just like, it is so in-depth. Honestly, I don't even know where to begin. So in the beginning, who or what do you soar for? And right here, they've got this great little like plastic piece here, and you just kind of slip that in, and you want to replace it with a, you know, 15 centimeter by 11 centimeter photo of who or what you soar for. So again, it could be like a picture of your family. It's like, why are you trying to get your life organized? Why are you trying to get yourself together? It could be just for yourself. It could be any goal that you have. Right there, it's going to be like a constant reminder of that, which is really great. So, and it's just saying, I commit to being the very best version of my time management self by completing this planner daily to enable my eagle soar by, and then you've got a date. So you're kind of like setting yourself up for success by saying, you know what, I'm going to give myself the this is a 6-month planner, so I'm assuming you want to go ahead and put that 6-month in there. But of course, sometimes we need more time than that. But yeah, and then inside, they kind of go through basically how to use the planner, you know, your daily planner workflow, and they give you all these ideas why the eagle, and then it explains that fable. It's an African fable, as I had just mentioned, so it kind of gives you that fable right there, and then it's just showing you how to actually use this planner, because of course there are so many different ways that you can be doing that. You've got your quick start here, you've got your power habits, and then the cool thing too, it's also they have the how-to videos, and I do love that they say, you know, we feel like our work is not done by just kind of giving you this, you know, we want to give you all of the resources you possibly can. So at the back here, I think they said, what page was it? To like 368. And then at the back here, they have tons more resources as well. And there's like websites and things that you can check out. So all of that is back here. And that's more, you know, information to help you really, you know, soar like an eagle. And then what do we have here? So then you've got your, you know, your monthly brain dump, you've got your goals, your 1 of 6 month goals, and then today's goals, and then it goes through, and you've got all your different tasks and stuff that you can go through, and then you're filling it out. I do love that it is not dated, because let's be honest, I know I tend to think of myself as a pretty organized person, but you know, if you want to like journal and write, and like when the dates are already in there, you're kind of feeling that pressure to make sure, you know, you are getting in there, writing today and doing what you need to do. And sometimes, you know, things happen and you can't make it. So I do love that you can actually date it yourself, so that, you know, if you need to skip a day or two, that can happen sometimes in life, right? So if there is someone in your life that you think could really use this to help them really assess, prioritize, and focus, I honestly highly recommend this really inclusive and thorough planner.